devlog. I remember which number was it? Number 5, I believe. Yeah, number 5. So uh, at this point, like I've done so much. Like when I say so much, like I made a lot of progress. However, like there's a downside with all like what I'm starting to realize at this point. However, I'm not like before I can mention that I have done a lot of artwork just so I can start ahead with the level design, and I'm gonna say I am actually impressed at how things are starting to look, and I just want to say I just got to go out and show off what I just done so far. Like it's incredible, like literally. Uh, I'm like it's something that like I normal jams I participate like I've done a lot, but like this I say a lot on it like wow. Took me 5 hours or more. A lot of progress with the how things are looking. However, one upsetting part is that even with a lot of work I've done, watch this. This. Yeah. Artwork styles. And you can see that I got this the landscape something fixed a little bit. And you can see it scrolls around. Uh-huh. Parallax background. Everything's all good. And here's like a couple of things that I just encountered recently. I'm trying to see if I can get it fixed. I need to get it fixed right away because the downside about all this progress I've done is that it just made me way behind. Like literally. Like my track and my pace I'm finishing this entry is so far beyond my goal. Like it reached the point where I might have to like get things done quick because this amount of progress is not going to give me enough time. And I spent some time just detailing all this, and it's actually quick trickery I've done. A lot of tricks just to design it very well, and it just came out really good. And I already had some scripts that worked so perfectly fine with them. I did have to do some couple back and forth on experimenting with the values just to get the right results that how it needs to be done. And the one thing that I'm starting to notice now are the two things that I need to get fixed right away. So first off, the tile map system. The tile map system doesn't get drawn properly because I'm using special effects for some of my resources that requires to use application surface. So therefore, it needs to be done everything done by draw GUI. So the thing is, because of that, I cannot draw tile maps. So it makes it more difficult now. The only solution I have is pretty much reapply the tile maps for no reason. Like it just costs more apparently on the performance. Just reassign them again on a draw GUI, which right now I'm starting to notice there's something that didn't went right with my coding. Something like I don't understand why it's not working. Like you can see here, it's drawing like the tile sets, but they're not applying the new changes I put into it. Like after I finished the first batch, I was like, and after making some adjustments into my code, I'm like, all right, now everything's ready. Start putting more tile sets just to apply more details to it, but it's not drawing them for some reason. And when I tried to remove, it doesn't even remove them either. So I don't know what's going on. Like I got stuck on that part, and that's just now actually before I actually started streaming. I encountered this problem, so I still need to investigate it though. I haven't done enough investigation yet on that, but based on the timing, it needs a lot. I need to get this done, and if I can find that solution as soon as possible, I'll be able to get back on track on entry. So, other than that, the other problem I noticed is that the water effect I have, it's working, but it needs some more adjustments because for some reason, it's not reacting to my character's physics. Like, because I had a built-in physics that works properly, but for some strange reason now it's not triggering it properly. So I'm going to assume it's probably because the physics value that I put for this project are not the same one results that I had from from experimental projects I have in the past. So it probably shown a different result. So it might need some little values to be tweaked around with just to get the right results also. So it might be just a minor fix, pretty much easy. But on terms with the tile map, I'm pretty much stuck on that. I need to figure out what's going on with it, and I need to figure it out fast, because otherwise I won't be able to finish this entry on time. But other than that, the details are amazing. And take a look at what happens when I splash into the water. Beep, beep. Oh yeah. And here's the problem. I my character will keep falling down. And I had it a physics built in to work properly when character interact with the water, but for some reason it's not working. It might be because of the might be because I tried to apply some changes. Also, the reflection system for the train is not. I noticed right now. I fix that soon. But other than that, it's not responding. I don't know what's like. I might have to look up the codes and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just stop my devlog from there. Just I'm already given enough information details I need to provide. The only reason because I need to catch up on my project before the deadline comes around in the corner. So we have a couple of days left, but even though those couple of days are not even enough time for me to actually finish, I'm gonna need to dedicate more. Also, the fact I have to it's out somewhere soon enough. Or I already had a job interview for a new place, uh, so I had to go to this location to hand in some documentation, so see if I can get started working again. Which is good. I mean, I finally got my temporary job. I'm not gonna say it's a full time. I mean, it is full time, but I'm not working um in this place for too long. I have other plans too. I'm going to focus on after the end of this year. So in the meantime, I just need a job to pay off my expenses, and therefore I had to take this opportunity to work on this new place. Anyway, other than that, I can't wait to see how this goes on, and I'll give you more updates later on. So take care.